Good evening. Anything that we discuss today is going to be for educational purposes. I'd like to welcome you all to Digital Trading Floor. It's a platform where we disseminate financial data in real time to provide actionable insights using live streaming technologies. So follow along as I navigate the markets by trading in my own account, and hopefully you will learn how I analyze the data in real time to make trading decisions. The purpose of making this video is to analyze Nifty options, open interest data. We are going to be analyzing Nifty on multiple time frames as well as framing a view for 12th November, that is tomorrow. Apart from the index, we are going to be discussing our stock watch list as well. If we analyze the open interest data for 12th November weekly expiry, we will see that highest amount of open interest in calls are at 12,800 strike followed by 13,000 strike. And if we see the puts, we will see that highest amount of open interest in puts are at 12,700 strike followed by 12,600 strike. So it gives us a broad range of 13,000 to 12,500 levels on Nifty 12th November weekly expiry contract. And if we see what happened intraday, you will notice that we saw open interest reduce in 12,400 strike, 12,500 strike, as well as 12,600 strikes. Which just tells us that option call writers on these strikes have booked their losses, while option call buyers on these strikes have booked their profits. And if we see, highest amount of calls were written today at 12,900 strike followed by 13,000 strike. And on the put side, we will notice that we saw open interest reduction in puts in 12,400 as well as 12,500 put strike, which just tells us that option put writers, they have booked their profits while option put buyers have booked their losses. And if we were to see intraday, highest amount of puts were written at 12,700 strike followed by 12,600 strike. If we analyze the option max pain data, you will notice that for 12th November weekly expiry contract, the max pain level has shifted from 12,500 strike to 12,650 strike. So if market were to expire tomorrow at 12,650 levels, then option writers are going to suffer the least amount of losses theoretically. If we analyze Nifty on multiple time frames, you will notice that on the monthly time frame, market is under control of buyers above 11,697 levels. And if we were to see the weekly time frame, you will notice that market is again under control of buyers above 12,399 levels. And if we were to see the daily time frame, today market opened at 12,680 levels. So today we had a situation of time frame continuity to the upside when all the time frames were trading above their respective opens. That is, price was above its monthly open, its weekly open, and the daily open. When that happens, it just tells us at this point of time in price, buyers are relatively aggressive in lifting the offers. And if we were to analyze what is likely to happen on 12th November, that is tomorrow, based on daily time frame, we get the following scenario. Above 12,749 levels, we can trade towards 12,769 levels, 12,848 levels, and potentially 12,889 levels. And on the downside, below 12,650 levels, we can trade towards 12,571 levels, 12,518 levels, and potentially 12,451 levels. And we are going to be remaining neutral in the price range of 12,749 levels to 12,650 levels. And as tomorrow is weekly expiry, it is best that conservative traders should refrain from making any trades, especially in between 12,749 to 12,650 price range. Now we are going to discuss our stock watch list. The stocks that we have chosen are Naukri, Hindi Unilever, Cummins India, and Infratel. All these stocks have one thing in common. These are all inside candlesticks, and we are going to be trading them only if they break today's highs or today's lows, which in context tomorrow are going to be previous day highs and previous day lows. And we are going to refrain from making any trades in these stocks if they trade in between their previous day range. If we analyze Naukri, we would look for buying opportunities above 3,589 level, or selling opportunities below 3450.1 levels. And if we see Hind Unilever, we'll look for buying opportunities above 2138.7 levels and selling opportunities only below 2104.5 levels. And if we see Cummins India, we'll look for buying opportunity above 462.1 levels and selling opportunity below 452.5 levels. If we see Infratel, we'll look for buying opportunities above 179.7 levels and selling opportunities below 175.3 levels. Before ending this video, I like to summarize that we are trading in a broad range of 13,000 to 12,500 level based on the overall open interest data, and potential short-term range for tomorrow is going to be 12,800 to 12,600 levels, and above 12,749 level we can potentially trade towards 12,769, 12,848 and potentially 12,889 levels, and below 12,650 levels we can trade towards 12,571, 12,518 and potentially 12,451 levels. And max pain has shifted from 12,500 to 12,650 strike for 12th November weekly expiry, which is tomorrow. So if market were to expire at 12,650 levels, in that scenario option writers are going to suffer the least amount of losses, theoretically speaking. And the stock watch list for tomorrow are all inside candlesticks. I would like to request you all to see the description area of this video. There you will find link to what is digital trading floor in greater detail. Apart from that, you will be able to access our recent blog posts as well if you see the description area of this video. And I would request you to hit the like button, share this video and subscribe to Digital Trading Floor YouTube channel. Once again, thank you.